Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome back to a video of 143 scaled IXO model cars. So finally I've gotten a 143 scale after a while and yeah, this one's a cool one. Let's get it out of this cellophane. And it is a 1991 Saab 900 Cabriolet and is in this dark turquoise color that I love, so that got my attention instantly, and I just had to get this. In the upcoming videos in the future, you will see me open the Tarmac Works. I think it will be a hard top Saab, which of this style. So I'm personally also looking forward for that. It's just that it hasn't arrived to my spot yet, but it has been purchased. So let's get this one out and shown. Okay, there we go. That is so it comes in acrylic case. If somebody's still watching this for the first time, it's held by one screw, which is perfectly fine for me. Okay, so we have these stickers on the sides, and I need something to cut them. Okay, that's one side. And that's the other one. Let's cut it again just to be sure. Okay, there goes that. And here you go. The base is plastic. Somebody's wondering about that. So for now, the car looks very good. Let's get it off the base and have a closer look at it. Okay, what type of screwdriver do I need? Will this be perfect? That will be perfect. There we go. There goes the base. There's some plastic that holds the car to the base. And here's the car itself. So as you can see, the color is very, very good. We have these old-fashioned classic stock rims. The interior is, on camera, it looks slightly greenish, but it's not. The interior is made out of interesting. It's not fully plastic. It's like rubber plastic or something because it has a feel to it. Like a bit plasticky rubber plastic, something like that. I have no idea what that would be called. There's your interior. You can look at it as much as I can show you. You can see the dials and stuff in there. So that looks all nice. There's your front. It says turbo in the grille. We have fully lensed headlights, turning lights, and stuff like that. The window looks a bit funky, like it's that very high up, but maybe that's how it was on a real car. I personally don't know. There's your base. It's held by two screws, so you can easily take these apart if you want to. There's your backlights. For some reason, this one's more foggy than this one. I don't know why is that. Even this one has more texture on it, where the other one just doesn't. Might be a flaw in the manufacturing side or something. I have no idea. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I've never seen these. I've seen this car in real life, just not as a convertible. I never paid attention to the rear lights also. The bumper is a separate piece for the front and the back, so those are separate. Rubber tires. And yeah, I've got some mirrors and stuff, so nothing much more I can say about it. Is a very good model from IXO models. Not IXO, but IXO, if somebody's wondering. There's something getting caught. I think a tire or something is getting caught. So it's a bit of a rolling issue. You can hear the tapping sound, so I have no idea what that is. Okay, it's the back wheel. And why is it doing that? I think the axle is slightly crooked. Yeah, there's something with the back axle because I can see the back wheels wobbling. But luckily I'm not planning to roll these or play with these, so it's not as much an issue as it would be if it would be like fully damaged or stationary, like not rolling. That is like a big deal breaker for me. The only cars that let that pass is in the 164 line, the NOs, because they're like a 50-50 chance that they will or will not roll. So, but those are different. I am extremely picky on those cars, so that's why if they end up being rollers, that's a bonus. But otherwise, yeah, got a vent there also. Yeah, that's all I can tell you and show you about this model. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.